Assalamu alaikum. This is your host Fatima Nasir and you're watching Digital Diary exclusively on Bright Star TV. In this episode of Digital Diary, we're changing things a bit. आपने सुना ही होगा, the only constant in life is change, and following that theory, we're changing things a bit. In this episode, we're going to talk a lot more about technology and how that's changing and evolving the world we live in today. तो ये है हमारा आज का lineup for all the trending technology news from around the world. On number 5, Elon Musk Tesla announces new technology जिसके through they're gonna be making cheaper and even better electrical cars. We all know कि आज की दुनिया में technology has kind of just taken over. चाहे वो smartphones हो, चाहे फिर वो हमारी cars ही क्यों ना हो, because we're really moving towards a world जहाँ पे हर चीज़ electrical हो. Elon Musk, who is the founder of Tesla, उसकी तरफ से recently announce किया गया है कि they're working on a new car जो कि 3 साल या उससे ज़्यादा में बनेगी, which will be not only better in terms of power, in terms of performance, but also cheaper. यानी कि सिर्फ $25,000 के अंदर they're planning to make this car. It will be very feasible and easily affordable by a lot of people. अभी तक हमने सुना है electrical cars के बारे में which are just hugely expensive. हर कोई उन्हें afford भी नहीं कर सकता है. And हमने हमेशा futuristic movies में देखा है कि how everybody is driving electrical cars, and I think we're really moving towards that future now. आज की दुनिया में हर कोई सबसे आगे जाना चाहता है, चाहे फिर वो अमेरिका ही क्यों ना हो, चाहे फिर वो चाइना हो. Everybody wants to lead and be the most powerful in the world. And Gawada Port has somehow become the key to that success. आज की दुनिया में जहाँ पे trade, export and imports have really led to a lot of economic growth for all the countries. वहीं पे पाकिस्तान के पास जो गवादर पोर्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है, that has kind of become central to this struggle. चाइना अपनी सिल्क रोड के लिए गवादर पोर्ट का इस्तेमाल करना चाहता है. अगर इसकी हिस्ट्री देखी जाए थोड़ी सी, तो इट वाज एक्चुअली कि लकीली इनफ पाकिस्तान के पास गवादर पोर्ट जस्ट केम इन हैंड्स ऑफ अस, जबकि इंडिया एंड ब्रिटेन itself really were interested in Gawada Port itself. But Britain thought at the time कि they were very occupied with the world wars. इसी वजह से उनकी priority वही होनी चाहिए, and they kind of just left Gawada Port there. India also showed a lot of interest in Gawada Port, लेकिन luckily enough it fell in the hands of Pakistan and is now a key point in this whole struggle जहाँ पे everybody is fighting for world and global dominance, and Pakistan really has an amazing opportunity in terms of Gawada Port. When we talk about the most precious metals in the world, how can we forget about gold? Gold is something जो कि आज की दुनिया में ना सिर्फ precious है, but it is really really high in demand. यानी कि हर कोई आज की दुनिया में गोल्ड को अफोर्ड भी करना चाहता है और अपने पास भी चाहता है. बट अगर साइंटिस्ट से पूछा जाए और एक्सपर्ट्स से पूछा जाए तो उनका कहना है कि इन अ फ्यू डेकेड्स विल एक्चुअली बी एबल टू रियलाइज एंड सी कि गोल्ड की प्रोडक्शन में कमी आना शुरू हो जाएगी. सिंस 2008 इट हैज़ बिन द केस कि गोल्ड की प्रोडक्शन या तो स्टेडी रेट पर रही है या इंक्रीज होती रही है until this year, जब कोरोना वायरस की पेंडेमिक की वजह से we actually saw a 1% decrease in the production itself, which was at 3,500 tons this year, जिसकी वजह से हमने गोल्ड की प्राइसेस को इंक्रीज होते हुए भी देखा. बट एक्सपर्ट्स डू से कि गोल्ड इज समथिंग जो कि हमेशा अवेलेबल होता रहेगा until it does exist, and of course people are not going to want to stop buying gold, जिसकी वजह से उसकी prices can fluctuate over time. But of course we do need to be careful about these resources because eventually हम इनको ख़त्म कर दें. They are so precious, इसलिए we should really be careful and try कि हम उनको preserve कर सकें. इंडिया अपनी पॉपुलेशन की वजह से दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी मार्केट्स में से एक है. For Harley-Davidson, that meant in 2011 कि they really wanted to invest in India. जिसके बाद they set up their first plant in India in 2011, which was in production ever since. लेकिन हाल ही में कोरोना वायरस की पेंडेमिक की वजह से जहाँ पे all industries around the world have been hit really really bad, Toyota announced just a few weeks ago कि वो इंडिया से अपने प्लांट्स और अपनी प्रोडक्शन को ख़त्म कर मूव कर देना चाहती है. They also included the fact कि उनको टैक्स इश्यूज़ की वजह से भी अपनी कंपनी को मूव करना चाह रहे हैं. Harley-Davidson, which is an American motorbike company, and India being one of the largest motorbike industries and markets in the world, Harley-Davidson did want to stay in the country, but उन्होंने भी recently announce किया है कि they will be stopping all production in the country और अपनी जो Indian market के अंदर उनकी investment थी और उनकी जो production हो रही थी sales के terms में, they will also be pulling out. That is a huge hit for Indian economy because नरेंद्र मोदी always wanted कि बाहर की companies जो हैं invest करें इंडिया के अंदर, Indian market के अंदर as much as possible. But this being the second international company and the big company at that जो कि इंडिया से pull out कर रही है, and I'm sure everybody is devastated in those terms. We hope कि India's economy can actually survive this hit. Scientists and experts have found a very unique way to help kids who are born prematurely with brain development. Scientists का मानना है और experts का भी कि the kids who are born prematurely, they really have a risk of developing more issues in terms of brain than other kids who are born normally. जिसके बाद उन्होंने कुछ रिसर्च करना शुरू की into the issue itself, especially the scientists at the University of Geneva, who actually came up with a solution for this problem, or if not a solution, something that can really help these kids who are born prematurely. And like I said before, कि this is something जो कि काफ़ी बड़ा issue बन चुका है आज की दुनिया में. Early births are really really common, जिसके बाद parents and all the relatives involved with that birth have to spend months worrying about how the kid is gonna develop in terms of mentally and physically as well. But this is a huge step from the scientists at University of Geneva, जिन्होंने ये एक unique तरीका निकाल कर, which is actually using music and a specific kind of music जिसका इस्तेमाल करते हुए इन premature बच्चों को सुनाने से they actually believe and research has proven कि इन बच्चों की brain development में मदद मिलती है और जो risk factors होते हैं in terms of brain development can actually be countered altogether or can actually be decreased to a certain extent. And like I said, it's a huge step in terms of that, and I hope that the kids who are born prematurely can be helped through these. So here we are with something very very different and something very new. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको हमारे शो का नया फॉर्मेट अच्छा लग रहा होगा. You can let us know in the comments below अगर आप हमारे शो में कोई स्पेसिफिक किस्म का कंटेंट देखना चाहते हैं. हम मिलेंगे आपसे अगली दफ़ा टॉप 5 ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज़ के साथ. तब तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें और मुझे इजाज़त दें.